Hello my alien students, welcome back. So today what we're going to learn? We're going to learn something beautiful today that is related to box. Okay, it's called scope box, section box, selection box. Okay, so what's the thing? One is scope box, one is a selection box, okay, and one more called a scope box. Okay, is this clear? One is scope box, one is selection box, and one is section box. Sorry, one is section, selection, and scope box. Okay, don't worry, we will not have anything called as tiffin box. That may be hopefully in the next versions. On the next versions we will be having this tiffin box. You can send request for Autodesk, isn't it? We need a tiffin box also. Okay, anyway, so first thing I'm going to teach you is what is a section box. Okay, see, one thing you need to understand is section box is only possible in the 3D view. So I'm going to click the 3D view. Okay, ask me save the project. Okay, so we are in a 3D view. Okay, isn't it? Okay, now you can see something called a section box. Okay, I click apply. You will not be able to see the section box. Why is this section box? Why you are not able to see it? It's because of VG. So let's see if I have VG. No, type VG. Okay, annotate category and says your friend section box, section have it visible. Okay, what's the benefit of this is I can see in my building. If I just zoom in, I can cut the building like this. You see, you get the picture. I can have a slice at anywhere I want. Okay, this is called the section box. Section, it's like a section, isn't it? Can you see it? Isn't it? At this, see this, the duct gets cut, isn't it? Okay, you see, isn't it? Even if I go to the other side, okay, let's say this way, go and see the grip. Okay, you see, the pipe gets cut or whatever. Okay, you get the picture, huh? Yeah. He cut the toilet like this. Anyway, it looks good. Okay, so this is called section box. Okay, why? Like a section name. Okay, as we can never have a section in our section view, section, see, this section is not possible in a 3D view, so we have it section box in a 3D view, logic sense. Okay, the other one is called selection box. Keep your mouse and select it. This is in a 3D view. Okay, so 3D view section box. Only what I selected would be, though it is not very useful, isn't it? I can take this and make it up, isn't it? You get the picture? Yeah. Isn't it? I can extend it, isn't it? Is this clear? Right. Isn't it? I hope it's clear now, isn't it? This is the beauty of a selection box. Select, because you select it. Okay, what's the difference between this? Okay, now imagine I'm in the 2D view. Okay, if I do selection box here, okay, you will see the difference here. Look at the difference. He shows the whole with the architectural file. It's a 3D view. It is not the same 3D view which was before. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now you say, John, how do I get it back? And I click selection. Okay, type. Anyway, I hope you understood two things now: selection and scope box. Sorry, selection and section. Okay, right. Now what we're going to do is it's called a scope box. What's the meaning of a scope box? Scope box means what? Let's say this room will be done by XYZ person. This would be done by another alien. This would be another alien. How do I segregate it? Okay, so this is the way you do scope box. Scope, whose scope is whose. Try this. Okay, this would be a scope person 1, name the person, isn't it? Again, go to view, scope box 2. Okay, better to create similar, isn't it? Okay, so then what happens is, if you go to a view, let's say this is a view, you duplicate it. Okay, just imagine we duplicate it. Okay, then what you can do is go down, scope box now, make it scope box 1. he does the filtering. So this is your scope of work, isn't it? Okay, I hope you get it, or you get the picture what I'm trying to convey message. Okay, if we go to the 3D view, and if I say scope box, I just want to see what is John's work. Just give me an example. He cuts it and keeps it like this. Okay, so I hope you understood what I'm trying to tell, convey message. Okay, what's the difference between a scope box, selection box, and a section box? Okay, this is an important topic for the exam also. Okay, I hope it's clear, and we see each other in the next class. Take care and have a nice day. Hello, bye.